I'm part of the advanced manufacturing class. I graduated high school and kind of just fell into the work, home kind of system. That was really about it until I decided to come here. I'm a part-time soup at UPS on Oregon Avenue. It's okay. Like, it's not bad. It's kind of just my time to go. So I came here to get some new skills and learn something new so I can leave. I picked the manufacturing program because I was interested in their electrician part of the program. I understand the PLCs and the hydraulics class as well, but I mainly want to do electrician work. So gaining that new skill can lead me into the next chapter of my life. I really found this one because it was kind of close. Well, actually, I grew up around here, so when this one popped up in the area, it was just I know that building. I've seen it for the past 23 years, but I've never been inside. So I came for an interview where I walk around and tour and kind of ended up in class the same day. I just kind of took the first week and a half to get to know what the actual program was teaching, and then kind of just was all right, cool. I can rock with this. Mainly in our electric class, when we're wiring up stuff and fixing our motor control boxes and stuff in there, that's kind of where I get to relax and just kind of go off on my own. Goals I'm trying to achieve would be just to gain the skills and knowledge to move on from my job and have the skills to not have to work those kind of hours and not look back. Just continue to move forward. My job is more of an evening kind of thing, so my mornings and up until about 3-ish are kind of free. So they said the morning class was from 8 to 3, and I was like, that works. I got about a half hour to get to work from there. It is what it is. When I told them that I decided I wanted to be an electrician, they were just all so excited. So it was more or less, hey, get up and go to class because we'll need you changing your mind at the last second. Definitely Ms. Brown and Terrence, they've given me a different outlook on the industrial world and somewhat of the electrical world. Ms. B has definitely done a lot for different companies and stuff from what she's told us. So it was kind of okay, cool. Because I kind of somewhat already work in that aspect. So it was I already somewhat understood what she talked about, but then I got the deeper meaning of it. And that's just not something I can do for the rest of my life. Terrence was more of a, hey, it's still a job. You do get to have fun. You can have fun at any job you're at, but it's more or less the people. My class is really fun. Our instructors are pretty fun. So it all kind of goes hand in hand. Well, after finishing here, I do plan to start my electrician apprenticeship. And soon after starting that, I should be leaving my other job and starting new goals. I want to own property. I want to start buying, selling, repairing homes and probably renting them out. And I thought about it. It's a lot better to be able to go in and fix any problems on your own instead of having to pay someone else to do it. And I have friends and family who already do this kind of work. They're not necessarily licensed, but they know how to do the work. So I said, I'm going to take the correct route, get licensed to do it. But from what I've seen, it's a really good program. I know it might just be my class, because we definitely started off with 11, 12 people. Now we have 6. They just stick with it. It's not something that's hard to do if you just come in and do the work. Because I know these guys aren't going to, call you and come to your house to come get you to come to class. It's kind of just up to you as a person. So if this is something you really wanted to do, you just have to put the work forward. And it's not hard, but everyone's situation is different. I am PTTI.